What do you mean you fell off the ceiling?
I'm not telling you, you tell me off.
What?
I was climbing like Spidey-Man.
Mandy, Mandy.
I was.
Does whatever Mandy does.
I fell off.
Can she swing? Yes, she does. There's a website where she gets her clothes off. Da-da. Look out for swinging Mandy.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah, so this is ASDA's
love
creamy
coconut
and rich coconut drink. We can't say milk because we might offend the people.
Can you stop spitting?
People pay money for that.
Oh my God, you keep saying...
We might offend the people that rape cows.
You've drunk some of this.
I've been drinking this for days.
Oh,
yeah.
for goodness sake,
I've actually...
Ow!
I've actually included some of this in the recipe that's in the kitchen cooking right now.
That hurt my face.
So there's the stuff on the back. Oh, it's got gelling gum in it. We've seen that before. I wonder what gelling gum is.
You hit my face?
Yeah, you like this, Mandy. It may contain nuts. Mandy likes nuts.
I do like nuts.
So, it hasn't got any orangutans in it. So yeah, just pause that if you want to see that, guys. There you go. There's all the information
Put some white stuff in the cup for me to drink already.
And it is fully recyclable. Help my human quickly. So we did give it a good shake. Oh, do you like my cup? That's from my...
Dear Lord.
Just making room. Okay, you try it. I'll put this back together. Now, I've got to be honest, I use coconut milk. I'm going to call it milk, because it is the milk of the coconut.
Is it just me, or does it look a bit wrong?
It looks like jijum. I use this usually in porridge and in recipes that would usually require milk.
It definitely doesn't taste like jijum.
Oh, how do you know?
Wiggly eyebrows.
Wink, wink.
Very yummy.
That's the first time I've actually drunk it just as a drink. I mean, before being vegan, when I was growing up, I used to drink a lot of milk.
Can I have the rest?
Yeah, finish it off by all means, yeah. So that's actually really tasty. As you can see on the front of the packet, it's fortified with calcium, vitamin E, vitamin D2, vitamin B12 and iodine. So incorporating this into a healthy diet, I guess, would actually be a good thing. I mean, it's not like back in the days where they would tell you that the product of raping the cow would be good for you. I mean, casein and all that. If you're not sure how bad milk is for you, I suggest you go and do a bit of research. Milk is incredibly unhealthy.
Andy Schumann.
Yeah.
No, Andy Schumann.
Yeah.
You have a very nice beard.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Not you.
Oh, what's wrong with my beard?
Andy Schumann does. Your beard's poo-poo.
Oh.
You need to shave.
Okay, so I guess this gets a thumbs up from us.
I love this.
Yeah.
Me love it.
Thanks, Mandy.
For what?
Bye.
Oh, I think I've upset him. Bye, people.